Light settings allow you to customize various lighting settings on your Kia. You can set the number of times the turn signal blinks when the turn signal lever is briefly pressed. From the infotainment system home screen, press Setup, Vehicle, Lights, and under one-touch turn signals, choose between 3, 5, or 7 flashes. Welcome Mirror Light allows you to set the conditions for when the outside mirrors unfold and when the puddle or door handle lights turn on. When you enable On-Door Unlock, the Welcome Lights feature is activated when the doors are unlocked. With On-Driver Approach enabled, the Welcome feature is activated when a driver with a smart key is nearby. Enabling Headlight Delay when the ignition is turned off sets the exterior lights to remain on for approximately 15 seconds. Enabling High Beam Assist reduces the high beam glare when oncoming vehicles are detected by automatically switching to low beams. Activating Interior Lights Always On keeps the interior buttons and switches illuminated. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!